Everything inside was amazing, but to really get something that I can always take away spiritually meant the most.
Everyone who is a believer in Christ Jesus should come and experience what God's doing here through the Latter-day Saints.
Since we're in a predominantly Catholic country, this temple has been in the media a lot. Everything was beautiful, and I kind of felt a special spirit, and it's something that touched me.
Of course, we know that the statue of Christ means a lot to the Mormon congregation, and I think it's very symbolic that it has returned to Rome again.